Weebly versus Wix versus Squarespace, which website builder is best? Hello and welcome to our channel, WebWest. In this video, we will delve into a comparison of three of the most prominent website building platforms, which is Weebly, Wix, and Squarespace. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a creative professional, or simply someone looking to establish an online presence, choosing the right website builder is crucial. And to create an account on any of these platforms, you can use the link in the description, in which by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. But before that, if you don't know Weebly, it is a platform for building websites and online stores that doesn't require coding knowledge, in which it has an easy-to-use drag-and-drop interface, making it accessible for beginners to design and personalize their websites. And Weebly offers a range of templates, features including e-commerce functionality, blogging tools, and basic SEO options. On the other hand, Wix is a cloud-based website builder that lets users create looking websites without needing to know how to code, in which it's known for its user interface, flexibility, and extensive set of features, making it a popular choice among individuals and businesses seeking to create websites. In which with Wix, e-commerce capabilities users can set up stores with product listings, inventory management, secure payment processing, and order tracking. While on the other hand, Squarespace is both a website building and hosting platform that allows users to create websites, blogs, and online stores without the need for coding skills. And Squarespace provides e-commerce capabilities for creating stores with features like product listing inventory management tools, secure checkout options, payment processing integration with order tracking functionality. And Squarespace also offers hosting services for all sites built in on this platform so that users don't have to manage hosting. And now that we know the overview of those three platforms, we can now proceed by knowing other details about Weebly, Wix, and Squarespace. So let's start by knowing the features that both platforms offer, starting to Wix, in which some of the features it offers including design flexibility. Wix offers extensive customization options, allowing you to create unique designs. It also offers ease of use, in which user-friendly interface suitable for beginners. Now in its feature, it is rich set of features including e-commerce, blogging, and SEO tools. And also in terms of value for money, it offers good balance between quality and affordability. And in terms of its help and support, it offers strong customer support. Now moving on to the features that are offered by Weebly. Some of the features including ease of use, in which it offers a simple and straightforward platform. And in terms of basic website building, it offers ideal for creating attractive but basic websites. And it also has a budget-friendly that offers a generous free plan. However, it offers limited features, which lacks some advanced features compared to Wix and Squarespace. Now moving on to Squarespace feature. In terms of stunning design, it is known for high-quality, visually appealing designs. And in terms of value for money, the plans offer good value considering the design quality. It also offers user-friendly, in which it is easy to use with beautiful built-in tools. And in terms of support, it offers a strong customer support. Now moving on to ease of use comparison of this platform. In terms of ease of use category, Weebly is straightforward and basic builder ideal for beginners. On the other hand, Wix offers incredibly easy to use with a wealth of features suitable for all skill levels. While Squarespace offers luxury experience with stunning designs, user-friendly platform. And now in terms of their features, Weebly offers basic features while Wix offers comprehensive feature set, tools for website growth. While Squarespace offers high-quality built-in tools. Moving on to design category, Weebly offers basic but attractive design, while Wix offers versatile and customizable templates. And Squarespace offers market-leading design, quality, beautiful designs. And in terms of help and support, Weebly offers decent support options, while Wix offers good support resources, while Squarespace offers reliable support system. And now in terms of their design flexibility comparison, the design flexibility category of Weebly offers basic builder with limited customization options, while Wix offers highly flexible and customizable extensive design freedom. On the other hand, Squarespace offers market-leading design quality, elegant and sophisticated designs. And in terms of templates, Weebly offers limited template variety, while Wix offers a wide range of templates easily customizable. while Squarespace offers stunning and professionally designed templates. And aside from that, in terms of customization category, Weebly offers a basic drag-and-drop editor, limited fine-tuning, while Wix offers robust editor with granular control over design elements, while Squarespace offers advanced customization options. And now in terms of responsive design, Weebly offers responsive but less control over mobile layouts, while Wix offers excellent responsiveness across devices, and Squarespace provides a strong focus on mobile-friendly designs. Now moving on to pricing and value comparison, in terms of starting plan or pricing, Weebly offers $6 per month for personal plan, while Wix offers $14 per month for combo plan, while Squarespace offers $12 per month for personal plan. Now in terms of their free plan, only Weebly and Wix offer the free plan option. And in terms of e-commerce feature, Weebly offers available in Pro and Business plans, while Wix is available in Business and VIP plans. On the other hand, Squarespace is available in Business and Commerce plans. But the question is, who should choose Weebly? Well, Weebly is a user-friendly website building platform that caters to a range of users, making it a great choice for needs. If you value simplicity and ease when creating websites, Weebly is definitely worth considering. It's especially beneficial for business owners, entrepreneurs, and individuals who may not have technical expertise. With Weebly's interface and drag-and-drop functionality, you can easily create looking websites without having to know how to code. And on the top of that, Weebly offers templates and features that allow individuals and businesses to establish a presence quickly and easily. But what about Wix? Who should choose Wix? Well, Wix is a website builder that can cater to a range of users, making it a great choice for needs. Whether you're an individual or a business, if you want a website that is highly customizable and visually impressive, Wix would be beneficial for you. With its easy-to-use drag-and-drop editor, template library, and flexible customization options, Wix is ideal for professionals like artists, photographers, and designers who want to complete control over the look and feel of their websites. Moreover, Wix offers e-commerce features, which make it suitable for stores and entrepreneurs looking to sell products or services online. But what about Squarespace? Who should choose Squarespace? Well, Squarespace is a choice for individuals and businesses that prioritize design, simplicity, and a user-friendly experience when building their websites. And people in fields like photography, art design, and music often choose Squarespace because of its stunning templates and easy-to-use editing tools that effectively showcase their work. Moreover, small business owners, entrepreneurs, and startups who value professionalism and aesthetics find Squarespace appealing as it allows them to create modern websites without the need for technical knowledge. Now in conclusion, when it comes to choosing between Weebly, Wix, Squarespace for building a website, decision ultimately depends on the needs and preferences of individuals or businesses. And since Weebly stands out for its simplicity and user interface, making it an excellent option for beginners or those seeking a website building experience. On the other hand, Wix offers customization options and versatility that caters to users who desire full control over their website's design and functionality, while Squarespace focuses on delivering design and an exceptional user experience that appeals to individuals and businesses valuing aesthetics and professionalism in their presence. So it is crucial to consider factors such as design flexibility, ease of use, e-commerce capabilities, and support options when making a decision. By evaluating these aspects in line with the needs and goals, users can select the platform that best aligns with their vision for their website. So that is just basically a comparison review between Weebly, Wix, and Squarespace. Thank you.